4601 Via de la Luna, a captivating 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home serenely set on a secluded cul-de-sac with only one neighbor. Surrounded by towering trees and rolling greenbelts, with an amazing backdrop of the hills of Yorba, boasting solar panels, central air, and dual-pane windows. Pause in the shade of the wonderful front grounds, then relax in the reception courtyard with a view. The moment you step inside, you feel the welcoming casual graciousness, including the wood-look plank flooring. Expansive, the sun-filled kitchen features an island, incredible cabinetry and appliances, a cafe corner, plus sliding glass doors to the fireside patio and custom saltwater spa plunge pool. The guest bathroom is convenient to the distinctive bedrooms. The primary suite features mirrored wardrobe doors, a luxurious private bathroom, plus glass doors to the patio with access to the secluded pool and spa. The 2 paved side yards, attached garage, and 3 fruit trees are big pluses. Kick back and take a mini vacation at home in your own piece of paradise, enjoying lovely walking paths amidst the surrounding ambiance and tranquility of the hills of Yorba.